Introducing another channel on YouTube with our superior dogs. Yes, this is the first video on this channel, Superior Dogs. This is the second channel I've had. The first channel was with the Great Pyrenees, but that's alright. We can export some videos on there to Superior Dogs, but we'll upload these on Superior Dogs. So, you know, our Great Pyrenees is not out for an unusual video, so they're playing outside with our Superior Dogs, Superior Dogs. Alright guys, I will have to go. I'll see you later. Bye.